To have a deeper view about business and investment strategy in 2013, we have Mr. Aryana Nur Akbar. He's from Research and Analysis Division of Monex Investindo Futures. Mas Aryana, thank you so much for your time.
It's a pleasure.
Well,
thank you.
I would like to ask and getting a lot of your insight that can be shared with the business viewer when we talk about business and investment strategy during 2013. Maybe Monex Investindo Futures also has your own perspectives need to be published. Well, I believe it will be very early when we talk about 2013. Still first quarter, first month even on January.
It's
but at least maybe we can talk a lot about what can be evaluated in 2012 before we go on the economic prediction or outlook in 2013. Share with us your view about what's been happening lately first, maybe on the global scale that can be seen when we talk about economic activity.
Okay, economic activity is based usually on policies that were taken by the government within a country. So, during the 2012, we have seen a lot of policies, monetary policies. It shows that that country has to contribute any measures to lift the economy of the country itself. In relation with commodities, it also depends on what kind of policies that they have. For example, we can see gold. Okay. Just take for one instance example in the US. Obama said they will have this kind of stimulus package. They said we have to earn or buy purchase obligations or assets like that. So if they have this kind of agreement between those parties that involved in this kind of measures, gold will remains going up. So in terms of what policies will be implemented, regardless the other factors that influence this kind of volatile price, okay, usually it comes to dollar. So when the dollar weakness or weaken within these strong policies, usually the price goes up.
I see. And do you think that nowadays the global economic leaders already find the best solution or global policies? Because it seems like every single thing they decide cannot really give a short answer, you know, like at least the way out from this kind of unpredictable economic situation. Because you start talking about policies, do you think that the policies enacted by the global economic leader already been the best one, or something still needs to be changed? Or
well, in accordance with that, we have to search or seek any information behind the reason why this kind of policies is obliged or literally implemented. Okay, so that why these policies occur during that year. Sometimes this has to be related to the condition of the economy itself.
I see. It's very interesting. Mr. Aryana, we are going to continue after this one soon. And make sure you are still with us on Economic Buzz. We are discussing about business and investment strategy in 2013.